A team of Chinese and Singaporean scientists has seen some promising results in animal tests in its quest to create a cancer vaccine. Zhang Tong from the Post's Beijing bureau is covering the story and joins us now. Could you first tell us about how this vaccine works?
Sure. So it acts just like a smart missiles. Basically, it makes full use of the human body's self-immune system. First, it delivers the anti. First, it delivers the ID cards of regular cancer cells and some cancer stem cells to the immune system. So our immune system can detect them and just get rid of them by ourselves. Within them, there are some chemical stuffs and biochemistry stuffs to make it works better.
So could you tell me a little bit more about what is the nanotechnology that's involved in the process?
Basically, there are three key features that make it effective. First, the outer shell of the vaccine is made of tiny bubble-like particles taken from the tumor cells. So those membranes will contain all the informations that our body need to identify cancer stem cells and the tumor-associated cells. Secondly, on the surface of the vaccine, there is a special targeting molecule, which works like a smart GPS or just like a smart key. It opens the specific lock on the surface of dendritic cells, which is how our immune system collects all the informations. So it just ensure the target information is delivered to the system correctly. And third and most importantly, the vaccine contains a powerful inner component. It will just allows longer antigen exposure and a stronger T cell response against the cancers.
So now I understand that we are still in the very early stages of this, but what is the significance if this vaccine is eventually proven to work for humans? What does it mean to the fight against cancer?
So currently, it only passed mouse models. The researchers did breast cancer and melanoma cancer models. But in those mouse models, the vaccines works well and suppressed the tumor growth and extended the mouse survival up to 7 times. So considering this vaccine is can use customized cancer tumor informations, so maybe they can use the patient's own tumor cells, and it holds promise as a personalized cancer vaccine. But author Professor Yang from the Chinese Academy of Sciences also warned that the long-term biosafety need further assessment, and more trials and larger animal models are needed before any clinical trials.
So how far away do you think are we from possibly using this vaccine in human trials?
Generally speaking, there are many similar research during the past years, and we have seen many approaches to cure cancers, but only a few of them has came to the clinical trial. It's hard to say when we can see this in use, but I would say it would be 5 to 10 years.
Well, nevertheless, a lot of potential there. Zhang Tong in Beijing, thank you very much for joining us again. And you can read the full details in his story on our website, scmp.com.